We finna do a cute little get ready with me. Just want to take some pictures just because. The first thing I'm gonna do is clamp my hair back. So here's my makeup bag. I love this makeup bag, y'all. Look, like it has all of the zodiac signs on there. And where's my sign? I'm a Taurus. And I absolutely love this makeup bag. I found this at TJ Maxx a long time ago. And it just gave me Louis Gucci. But yeah, let's get straight to it. I'm gonna show y'all how I do my makeup for these pictures, for my pictures to come out flash friendly. So I'm going to be using the e.l.f. complexion duo, the Real Techniques setting brush, and a powder puff. Like literally that's all I'm gonna use as far as brushes. So now I'm going in with the e.l.f. Hydro Grip Primer, and I'm going to apply this all over my face. Look at it. See how it look all smooth? Like you don't want no dry patches. You don't want dry skin under your foundation. Now, wrong lid. I don't even have the lid. I'm looking for the lid. So for foundation, I'm going to be using Makeup by Mario in the shade 18W. No, it's the Real Skin foundation, and this is in the shade 18W. Absolutely love that foundation. And I'm going to mix with NARS New Candlelonia. This is the Sheer Glow foundation. I'm going to mix these two shades to get my right shade. Some people don't mix. I'm a mix lover. I love to mix. See? Go straight in. Focus mainly on the outer areas here. Cause yes, honey, it gives what it's supposed to give. That is like the perfect match. Look at that. I love watching Makeup by Mario videos on TikTok. Like his mini tutorials are the bomb. Oh my god, I love how this looks. It's gonna be the best tutorial you have ever seen, sweetheart. What we look like? Skin. I'm gonna go in with my Bobbi Brown. And this is in the shade Natural. Place this right under here. And let me tell you, a little goes a long way with this. Now I'm gonna go in with Maybelline Superstay. This is in the shade 1045. Right up under here. And I'm going to go in with the Rimmel Stay Matte. The words are going off of this. This is all faded. Everything is just jumbled up in my makeup bag right now. Cause your girl be moving. Like a little quick little 1-2. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to go in and mainly focus right in this area. Cause we want that snatched under eye. Then I'm gonna go in on this side. Just tapping it right and on my under eye. See how that little dot of concealer that I use, just a small hoop, basically just gave me a full coverage under eye. So going back in with my foundation brush, just buffing out those edges and the sides of my nose, because I want this to look really, really natural. And what I'm gonna do is go down my, keep it so, dot, forehead, dot, 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 a little bit on the nose. Same step, that color. Clean that out. Keep blending into my brows, down the bridge of my nose. And I know in my other video, y'all were like, you got the braces off. Yes, I am going to give y'all an update on my braces experience. What I do now for is aftercare after braces, because of course when you get braces, that's just not the end. You have to keep wearing your retainers because your teeth will shift. Your teeth will shift. So now I'm going to go in again with the new Catalonia foundation and basically just use this as my contour. Right, a little bit more warmth back to my face. Look at that. My favorite thing about my glams is they always look seamless. Keep tapping until we have everything blurred out. Go down my nose. Now, I'm going to go in with my Laura Mercier setting powder. And I'm going to add just a little bit of Sasha Buttercup. Using a powder puff, I'm going to set, not bake, set under my eyes. Tap that into there. Place that right underneath my eye. Same thing to the other side. I'm going to tap to make sure there are no creases. Set the top of my lip, chin. And my forehead. My fancy bronzers, starting with Beijing Girl. Go in and bronze. Tap Coco Naughty in just a little bit. Cheeks. Chin. Same thing to the other side. Oh, that's powder. I thought my under eye was wet. So I have to say, girl, what you doing? Water. My eyes don't even water like that when I do my makeup. So I'm going to do my contour on my nose. I'm basically just buffing this into my brow. Down the sides of my nose. I'm gonna do my brows. So I'm going to brush my brows up. And I'm going to go in with this pencil. I'm literally just using whatever is in my makeup bag. This is the LA Girl. I think it's the eyeliner pencil or a lip pencil, one of them. But I think it can be used for both. So boom. Basically going to lightly fill. I'm gonna do my other side. Like, this face really ate though. It really did. This is not like really my go-to face whenever I am taking my own pictures. But I feel like these look okay. I don't like to go overboard when I'm cleaning up my brows. And I'll go in with Stay Matte. I'm going to clean up under my brows. Now, I don't have a brow brush, like I said. I'm only using 2 brushes today because the Glam is just that easy and simple. Boom. I feel like the one on this concealer brush. It's super easy to kind of clean up under your brows without using a brush because it doesn't really pick up that much product. I'm just going to blend, and this dries really quick, so you gotta work fast with these concealer because girl, it's a stay matte, which means once it gets matte, it's kind of hard to move it. I messed up just a little bit, and you don't want to have super harsh lines. Like cleaning up the brows with concealer spoolie has never been this easy. I don't care. I used to try to do it with the LA Girl or the LA Girl concealer, but child, now I could never do it. Face on fleek. Get into it. We're gonna do our lashes. Just excuse my lashes. These are some lashes that I reuse. Yes ma'am, I love to reuse my lashes because they just look more natural when they're like not new. That's just me. I know my faces look more natural when the lashes are just like super kind of wild. Dab just a little bit above my lash line. So go top. Put my lash on. I feel like that's good. Let's do the other eye. Now I'm gonna do my lips. This makeup bag is all over the place. So I'm gonna be using the Makeup by Mario. I'll be so glad when I catch these on a restock. Like, I'm at the very, very bottom. Makeup Forever Artist Color Pencil. This is in the shade Versatile Chestnut. And I'm gonna be using MAC Chestnut. So basically 3 different browns. I'm gonna start with Makeup by Mario. Go in with Killer Cosmetics in the shade Exposed. Add that right on top. It's a really cute pink. I'm going to go in with Artist Couture. Alright, so just soften this up. It's really pretty. Don't sleep. Now I'm going to take at the end of this makeup brush, just tap that powder in where we set our face. This is going to make everything super seamless, which is already seamless, but we want that really, really beautiful glow. Morphe setting spray to finish it off. Really, really drench my face. Not to the point where it's running down, but where it's damp, where it looks like this. Like you kind of are sweating. Make sure it's really, really drying. I'm gonna take my clamp down. So yeah, this is my go-to glam. I hope you all enjoyed this tutorial. Try this routine and let me know what y'all think. Don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see y'all in my next video on your video phone. Can you handle it, baby? Put me on your video phone.
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside. TT, two-turn baby girl.